What's goody, everybody? Today we just gonna go straight into the video. So as you can see here, I'm putting on some Pond's lotion onto my eyebrows, and then we're gonna go straight ahead and we're just gonna brush our eyebrows down. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the straight razor, and I'm gonna be taking the blade and putting that straight into the razor holder thing. I've been using this for a couple years now, so if you're not used to it, I will say definitely try one of those blades that have the protecting barrier to it. And now I'm just stretching my skin out, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that blade and start hitting it up top and cleaning up the hairs and then the side tail end of my eyebrow as well. I'm gonna go ahead, take my spoolie again, and I'm just gonna brush my hairs up this time. And I'm gonna hit the top with scissors. I didn't hit the bottom because I like my eyebrows to be pretty full, and I feel like if I cut it from the bottom too every single time I do my eyebrows, it's gonna thin them out a bit too much. So I need to do that every once in a while. But now I'm gonna take my razor and I'm gonna hit the bottom of that again as we did up top. Now I'm going to go ahead and brush that out, and I'm pretty much just going to go back and forth between using the razor and using my spoolie until I feel like I get it as clean as possible and I get it to a shape that I like. And then, like I said before, I only really like cutting the top, but I still felt like my eyebrows are still pretty bushy, so I decided to brush it down and cut the bottom so that way it could be less full. And then we get this shape right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna clean the inside of my eyebrow. That's pretty much all you got to do. And then on the other side, it's pretty much the same process. You're going to go ahead, but this time I'm going to actually cut the bottom because my hair on that other eyebrow actually grows downward. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that below. And then like I did with the other eyebrow, I'm just going to hit it on top with that razor, brush down. Then I'm going to hit the side tail end. And then I'm going to go ahead, brush it up like I did with the other side, and then hit it from below as well. And yeah, I just brushed it out to make sure that they were even as possible. Again, this is not twins, but that's pretty much it. You could put eyebrow gel, you could do whatever you want, and that's it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Peace.